What's up, everybody? Today we're working with my daughter Olive, and we're replacing the AC idler pulley on the Subaru WRX. It's got the EJ205, so the 2.0 turbo, and just really quick, why we're replacing it is because it's squeaky. I'll start it right now so you can see what I'm talking about, and then we'll get going on working on it. Alright, first things first, you gotta know where the idler pulley is. It's right here in the front of the engine, that one right there. So in order to get to it, we have to remove this plastic shroud. Then we'll take off this little holder for it here, and we'll install the new parts as soon as we get that little bracket out. We have to take off the belts too, but we'll get to that in just a second. You ready to get to work? Alright, let's do it. Alright, we got Olive working. She's going to be doing 10 here, removing that one, and we're going to remove this nut here, so we can pull this plastic bracket off. Go ahead.
It's already loose.
Hold it here. There you go. Keep going.
It's already loose too.
Okay, take it off with your fingers. Like that.
How do we get the zip tie parts off?
We're not going to worry about those. Alright, so with the cover off, we can see the two belts, and this is the pulley we're trying to take off. So I don't think we'll have to take off this front belt. We're going to try to do it without taking it off. Okay, so Olive's got the 12.
It doesn't fit.
Not there. You gotta start here. So take that one off first. Should be releasing tension. Okay, stop. Good. Okay, so just by loosening this little nut right here on the front of the pulley, that's actually a bolt, I believe. We'll see in a second. I loosen that a bit, and then we're releasing this to remove tension from the belt. So the pulley is free. Now I'll be moving these two bolts here, removing these two bolts, so we can pull out that bracket and replace the pulley itself. Alright. There we go. Brackets off. Okay. Alright, so with this out, it feels like there's a little bit of play in there, and spinning it by hand, there's some noise in there too. So now we're going to replace the old pulley with the new. There we go. There we go. A lot less play in this one. Alright, now we're just going to reinstall it the same way we pulled it out. Alright, now we got to retension the belt. So we're tightening this here to put tension on belt again. And we're not trying to kill the belt, just trying to make sure it's tight. Tightening this front pulley nut.
Hi guys, I found a praying mantis. It's cool.
But maybe. All right, let's finish this up. This bracket gets put right there, Olive. This one. The little metal bracket. There you go.
Like that?
Yep. No, you had it right.
It wasn't.
This. Okay. Now get the nut and the bolt. Alright, put the nut where it goes. Don't lose it. Don't drop it.
I dropped it. These gloves are tricky.
Alright, go ahead and put the nut on there. Okay. Good.
Almost.
Alright, you can go ahead and put the bolt in there, make sure it's lined up. Get it started first so you don't strip anything. And put the extension on there for you too. A little bit tighter. Not too much though. Okay, this one too. Good. Good. All right, it's all put back together. We'll close it up, go for a drive. Ready?
that wagon looks like your old one.
The bus?
Yeah.
Yeah. One more U-turn. No more squeaking when we're idling. It's good. No squeaking at all now. Good job, Oliver. Fresh pulley installed, absolutely no squeaking anymore. Took it for a drive, let the AC clutch work its bugs out, but there's no more squeaking, so that's good. We're idling now. Olive helped a lot. Olive, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, and we'll be fixing something again pretty soon, I'm sure. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.